This review is of VPS.net. As you might have guessed, VPS.net does VPS hosting. For those of you who aren't familiar, VPSs are basically distributed computing power, and you might have heard of it called the cloud. Well, VPS.net offers awesome VPS solutions, and in my opinion, they are the best VPS providers on the market today. Now, you may be asking yourself, what good does a VPS do over shared hosting or dedicated hosting? Well, basically, the key point of differentiation for VPS hosting is scalability. So if you run a small website and suddenly you need a ton of extra bandwidth or computing power, a VPS solution is right for you. So if you have plans to take your small website into the big time, I would suggest you go in with a VPS solution. Now, the nice thing about a VPS solution is, like I said, when you get started, you may be paying VPS solutions start about $20 a month with VPS.net, but let's say suddenly you need a lot more computing power, you scale up as needed. So there's no need to switch hosts, and that is a huge bonus because downtime is our enemy, and often there's a lot of downtime associated with switching hosts. So check out the review below. VPS.net is, in my opinion, the resource for VPS hosting. I hope you check it out and enjoy. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them for you. Thanks.